This is DITW, Anatomy and Physiology, and you are watching the video on the purpose of the central nervous system. The central nervous system is one of two main parts of the entire nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and brain stem. The other part of the nervous system is called the peripheral nervous system, which consists of the neurons and nerve pathways connected to the brainstem. The central nervous system is a tight network of neurons which are involved in the receiving of information from the peripheral nervous system and issuing commands to the body. For example, whenever we sense something, sensory receptors of our peripheral nervous system travel to the central nervous system where the signal is processed. After the sense signals are interpreted by the central nervous system can then issue commands that are sent back through the peripheral nervous system. For example, if I am riding a bike and I see something blocking my path I must get around safely, I process that obstruction with my eyes first, then my brain interprets that as an obstruction which I must avoid. A motor command will be given by the brain, which travels down the peripheral nervous system to the muscles which cause them to contract in a given way to steer the bike clear of the obstruction. Let's say while on the bike, I see a tiger coming up fast behind me. My brain will follow the same series of events from eyes to interpretation by the brain and motor commands sent to muscles to push the bike faster. However, you may also have a command issued by the brain which may trigger the release of stress hormones, such as epinephrine, or known as adrenaline, from the adrenal glands, and adrenocorticotropic hormone from the pituitary gland, which promotes the production of cortisol. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more information on other systems, please visit my YouTube page for other great anatomy and physiology videos. Before you leave, make sure to drop a like on this video by hitting the thumbs up button down below and share with friends who are also interested in anatomy and physiology. If you have any questions regarding anatomy and physiology, please leave them in the comments section below. And please subscribe and hit the bell button to know when new videos become available. Once again, thank you.